Hello everyone, this is Sarang Tripathi and together we are going to solve binary signal enigma, which was given in SHASTRA Challenge 5 Contest A. The problem states, Vivek from Ram Mandir, Nalasopara is challenged to decode binary signals received over n seconds, forming array A. There was also B, another binary array of the same length, has to decode A and compare it with B in order to crack the enigma. So the task which we are assigned is to calculate 2's complement of A first. These are the examples you can go through, and then find the bitwise OR operations of all the consecutive bits, and then compare it with the array B given. The input format would be the n size of array and two arrays A and B. These are the constraints, and the output format. The output would be simply returning true or false whether the arrays match or not. Let's get to the blackboard and understand the question.
Coming on to the solution part, let's take the first sample input. Vivek has this array A, which is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. The task which we are assigned is to first convert it into the 2's complement. How do we get the 2's complement is from the rightmost bit, the first one you encounter, leaving that, turn upside down all the other digits. For example, for the finding the 2's complement for this array A is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1. We are done with the task 1. The second task was to find bitwise OR for this array we've got and store it in array C. How do we get the bitwise OR for this is leaving the first digit, find the bitwise OR for all the other consecutive digits. So this will be 1. Bitwise OR for this is 1. By the way, bitwise OR for 2 binary digits is, if we get 1 and 1, the answer will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So bitwise OR for this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Store this array in array C. Now compare C with the given array B. The array B we were given was 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now this array B is not equal to the array C, which we have just found out, so the answer comes out to be false. Now let's jump onto the code.
Now coming on to the code for this question, I've chosen C++ as my language. This is the template, the main function, t number of test cases, an integer input, two arrays ARR and BRR, two for loops for inserting the values, for loop for getting the ones complement, converting zeros to ones and vice versa. This is the carry, we've initialized it with 1. This is iterating index. This is the temporary vector we've taken because the size of the array is variable in this case. This is for calculating the carry and storing it in the carry variable, decrementing the integer I. This is the main code for this. This is the main catch actually for this question. Modulo 2 and divide by 2. If it was given doing it with the octal, so modulo 8 divided by 8. We are reversing the array because we are inserting it from the 0 index, but we want it from the rightmost bit. We are storing it in the ARR, or you can do as if it was given in the question to store it in the array C. So simply initialize an array CRR or something and store it here. This is for the bitwise OR, and we are comparing it here. If the answer is, if the arrays are equal, you simply print true or false. Let's submit the code. Accepted. The source code for this question is available in Python and Java in the description below. If you found the video helpful, subscribe to the channel and join us on Instagram by the name TCT Shastra Coding Club. Thank you.